everybody, welcome back to Cheap Lazy Vegan. Today's video is going to be a vegan hacks video. This time it is going to be a microwave edition. I'm showing you guys 3 things you can make in a microwave that you may not have thought of before. If you have, well, you are some sort of a vegan hack genius. Okay, anyways, I have done a few different vegan hacks videos before. Let's be honest though, my entire channel is pretty much a vegan hacks channel because I am all about the easy and lazy vegan recipes. But if you do want to see the specific vegan hacks videos that I've made, then I will leave links to those down below. And if you do enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. So let's get on with the hack number 1. So the first thing we're going to be making is probably my new favorite thing, and it is red curry rice noodles. So we're taking some red curry paste that I just bought from the store, and I'm just checking the ingredients list to make sure that there are no fish ingredients listed. And once I've done that, we're going to add some coconut milk as well as the red curry paste into a bowl. We're going to mix that up as best as we can. And then once it's pretty well mixed, it doesn't have to be perfect, we're going to add the rice noodles. So we're just adding just 1 serving of the rice noodles. I'm just taking a small handful, mix that as best as we can, and then I'm also going to add just a couple tablespoons of water. And that is going to help the rice noodles cook in the microwave. And we're also going to add some chopped onions and some frozen edamame. Obviously, those are optional. You can add whatever you want in terms of vegetables. Frozen vegetables are always recommended. And then you just microwave it on high for a couple of minutes. And I like to kind of mix it around after like 1 minute and then microwave it for another minute. And then once that's done, you can kind of try a noodle, see if it's finished. It should be finished after about 2 minutes in the microwave, and that is what it should look like. And if you want it to be a little bit more watery, you can of course add a little bit more water. If you want it to be a little bit more creamy, you can add a little bit more coconut milk. You can do whatever you want really, but this is actually so yummy. This is like the easiest way to make this dish. It is ridiculous. I've done this with green curry as well, so you can use green curry paste or red curry paste. And I just couldn't believe how easy this was to make. And you have literally 1 bowl to clean up because you have just cooked your entire dinner in a bowl. So if you live in a dorm, you don't have access to a stove, if you just are too lazy, this is the perfect thing to make because you can still have a very delicious and very satisfying dish, and you just literally spent a few minutes to make it. Next vegan hack, we're going to make soup in a microwave. Yes, we are making Lazy Man's corn chowder, and I use the term corn chowder very loosely. We are adding some non-dairy milk into a bowl, and I'm using almond, but I think coconut milk would have actually worked much better. I'm also adding some cornstarch in there to thicken it up. I'm also adding some vegetable broth powder. We're going to mix that well together. And I'm adding some chopped onions, some frozen corn, and we're also going to add some frozen butternut squash. And I'm just adding that because that is just what I had in my freezer. You could add whatever you wish. And we're going to cover that up and we're going to microwave it for a few minutes. And then there you have your beautiful Lazy Man's corn chowder. It is yummy, satisfying, comforting. I mean, it's not going to taste like Michelin star, but we are talking about hacks, okay? We just made this in literally just a few minutes, and you have yourself a very comforting, warm bowl of soup. What else could you possibly ask for? And of course, this is super, super versatile. You can do whatever you want out of this one idea. I'm adding some sriracha avi, and yeah, you can just enjoy it in your dorm room, wherever you are. Super quick meal. Once again, very, very easy to customize. Add whatever you want, subtract whatever you want, and have fun with it. Alright, last but not least, we have another mug cake. I couldn't do another hacks video, a microwave hacks video, without a mug cake recipe. So we are using some cake mix. This is just a cake mix that I bought. It's a store-bought cake mix. Just check the ingredients list to make sure it's vegan friendly. And we're going to add some coconut milk. Once again, coconut milk is a very dear friend of mine in this video. I'm also adding a little bit of water. You may recognize this recipe from one of my older videos. It was my vegan dinner party for $20 video. And I actually got this recipe from a YouTube channel called Brothers Green Eats. So yeah, check that out. So we're gonna microwave that on high for about 2 minutes, and while that's microwaving, you can make a little simple icing. So we're just taking some icing sugar and some coconut milk and just mixing that up. I didn't really measure this. This is just me mixing things in a bowl. And there's your cake, or mug cake, what? Anyway, we're gonna add that mug cake into a plate because apparently we're fancy, and we're gonna drizzle that super fancy icing sugar and coconut milk icing. What? Anyway, we're gonna drizzle that on top. We're also gonna add some coconut flakes on top because the fanciness just can't stop, and that's pretty much it. So there's your super not fancy but fancy coconut mug cake. It's super awesome. It's delicious. It is coconutty. It is moist. It is satisfying. And the last time I made this, it was actually a lot prettier. This time, it wasn't as pretty as I wanted it to be. I don't know what happened. Check out my dinner party for $20 video to see how much prettier that one looks, because it really does look much prettier. But anyway, who cares what it looks like, because you're going to eat it straight out of the mug like the lazy person you are. Let's be real. So that's it, you guys. Those are my 3 microwave hacks for us vegans that are lazy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to check out my other hacks videos, once again, the links will be down below. If you did enjoy this video, of course, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Let me know down below that you want more of these videos. And of course, if you're new here, please subscribe to this channel for more videos like this one and more cheap and lazy goodness. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!